Now we'll discuss some examples. Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Actually, this is in the form of a power m whole power n whole power p whole to the power of q whole to the power of r, so on. You can take up entire terms. So a to the power of m into n into p. So here it is now 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. So minus 2 by 3. First we will multiply the symbols. Okay, minus, minus, minus. 3 times is there. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. Now, here minus 2 by 3 whole to the minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 60. I am taking this is as plus 60. That means minus 2 by 3 will be reciprocal. That is minus 3 by 2. And the next one, 60 is even number or odd number? Even number. Then the minus will become plus. So 3 by 2 whole to the power of 60. Okay. In this question, find the value of x. What is that? Find the value of x. 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 5 is equal to 7 by 4 whole to the power of x minus 2. In this, you need to find out the value of x. If bases are equal, powers are also added. Okay, if it is under multiplication, bases are equal, power should be added. If I add 7 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 and minus 5, I should add them, is equal to 7 by 4 whole to the power of x minus 2. Then you can observe here 7 by 4, 7 by 4. Both bases are same, powers are different. If a power m is equal to, if a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. If base are equal, a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. If bases are equal here, so automatically power should be equal. That means this power should be equal to this power. Minus 3 plus minus 5 is minus 8 is equal to x minus 2. I want the value of x. 2 minus 2 is transferred to this side. Then it is plus 2. So that is nothing but x value minus 8 plus 2 is equal to, very good, minus 6. Okay. Now we will discuss this example. What number should minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 be multiplied? Minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 be multiplied. What number? What number? Let the number be good, x. So that the product is, this product is, if you multiply these two, is, that is into 9 by 8 whole to the power of minus 2. Okay. So the statement problem I converted into a mathematical statement. By what number? We don't know. Let the number be x. That number should minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 be multiplied into, so that the product is, this product is 9 by 8 whole to the power of minus 2. Okay. Now here power is minus. Okay. Power is minus. Then I want to make the power is positive. Plus 3. What shall I do? Good. I should change the fraction. minus 3 by 2. I am changing into minus 2 by 2 into x. Again here it is negative fraction, negative power. Then I want to make it a positive one. Then it is 8 by 9. Good. Now I want the value of x. Here it is into. Go to that side. Very good. Division. X is equal to 8 by 9 whole square divided by. This is into. I am transferring to the other hand side. It is division. Minus 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3. That implies 8 by 9. Okay? 8 by 9 whole square. I am converting this into. I am converting this division symbol into. Then what will happen? This is a reciprocal. Good. Minus 3 by 2 whole cube. Okay, the fraction will be reciprocal when division symbol is converted into. Now, x is equal to, what is there? X is equal to 8 by 9 whole square into minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole cube. Minus 3 by 2 whole cube. Now I am simplifying this. 8 square is 8 into 8. 9 square is 9 into 9. 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. Minus 3 whole cube. Of course minus. 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And 3 3s are 9. Now, what is left to find out the value of x? Very important thing is, it's a negative quantity. 8 and here 3 by 9. Of course, 9 and 3 times minus 8 by 3. So, with what number I should multiply so that this will become this minus 8 by 3. Okay. Now, a to the power of n minus m. We have a formula that is 1 plus a power n by a power n. 1 by 1 plus a power m by a power n. A power m minus n formula. A power m minus n. A power m by a power n. Now, here it is a fraction and 1 is there. Can we go with LCM? Good. 1 by, what is LCM in the first fraction? A power n. 1 into a power n plus a power n. Numerator and it is denominator. Plus 1 by LCM. A power n plus a power n. Now, 1 by the fraction is there, then it will be reciprocal. Good. A power m by a power m plus a power m. 1 by, again it is reciprocal. A power n by a power n plus a power m. A plus b or b plus a. In plus you can change. I am changing. A power n plus a power n. Now, you see the denominators. A power m plus a power n, a power m plus a power n. Now, it is a fraction and this is one more fraction. To add these fractions, I need LCM. A power m plus a power n. Okay, denominators are same. Directly I can add numerators. A power m plus a power n. When both numerator and denominator is same, of course this value is 1, or else you can cancel by one time. Okay, and by using these examples you can complete the exercise problems now.